Hi guys, today I'll show you how to use images in Power BI, how to upload images to Power BI. For this, we choose new card visual, we add our data, we choose image URL, add our URL, and that's all. And if you want to change the size, we click here. First, we open a browser. We search our desired country's flag. For example, this one is okay. We open an Excel file. Okay, it can be any value, for example. Oh, it is just URL. Okay, we save the file, we open our Power BI and just refresh. Yeah, Azerbaijan added. Now we can use Azerbaijan also. If the image is not in the web, it is in our desktop, we can upload to that image first to OneDrive. After that, we can use it in Power BI. For example, we have a flag here. It is OneDrive. We copy URL of this image. We open Excel file. Just a minute, please. A link. What if we copy, just share? Okay, we just copy this. We change the last characters. And we save the file. Now we come to Power BI. It doesn't show. Okay, we remove that space. Just refresh the file. Okay, it is shown.